Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today what we're doing, we're pretty much nearly at mapping stage, and I'm considering going this week to get it mapped. So while I'm not doing nothing, might as well fit the intercooler and get some sexy gains. So what we're doing today, I've just come to my nan's because she's got a garage, and the garage is wide enough for me to get the car in. Literally put the front end in the garage, gonna jack it up, axle stand. Someone did comment in the last video, I did actually use axle stands. Go to 15 minutes, 4 seconds, and you'll see the axle stand behind the jack. So yeah, axle stands, whenever I jack the car up, axle stands underneath, because they do collapse. I have witnessed them collapse, so you can never rely on them, so definite. First, put it in first gear, reverse, handbrake up, job done. But today what we're doing is we're fitting this intercooler, so I'm going to try and show you. It's a lot better, this video, because I'm not under the car and I'm not going to be in like a mad rush, so it's going to be slow, collective, and you're actually going to see bit by bit, step by step, on how we actually fit an AirTech Stage 2 intercooler to a Megane 250 RS. Let's get it. Right then, so let's have a look. I can't actually see. I'm going to have to get on my knees. No! So basically, where I put the jacking point on this, let's have a look, let's have a look. What are you doing, you penis, and throwing that at me? I jack it, I use that as a jacking point, and then I use that there for the axle stand. So hopefully you can see that in the pouring wet. So I'm going to jack there, axle stand's going to sit there, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Put it down. Right then, so what we're going to do is just going to remove the bolts on top of the front bumper. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing remove the headlights as well. So there's 2 there, and then there's a clip, that metal clip just there. Lighting's no good in here, man. Honestly, it's terrible, but we'll get it done, And then there's 2 in the wheel arch, there's one that side, one that side. And same again over that way. And then I think there's a bolt that keeps it together, so we shall see. Right then, so an easy job's turned into like an absolute twat. We've had one, where's that bolt gone? I bet I ain't gonna be able to find it. What was it, 30mm, one TX30, absolute knobhead to do. I've had to we've tried to do it in the garage, but because we've got like that much room, it's shit. So I've got to go on the other side now, jack the car up, turn the wheel the other way just to get into the arch lining, and then fingers crossed the bumper's coming off. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you can video just this side, just so we can actually see. I said what we'll do, we'll take it slow, show you every bolt that comes off, and so far we've done absolutely none of it.
3 bolts, one come off.
Yeah, 3 bolts, Sam. So yeah, hopefully we'll show you the next bit. Right, so we're jacking it up a bit. I've still got to get the flipping arch lining out of the way because I haven't done it on this one yet. So yeah, I'm not actually using an axle stand on this one because I'm not going under the car. We're just literally getting in the wheel arch. So yeah, I need a better jack. This is crap, man. Just constantly forever struggling. So hopefully wheel arch. Oh, it's going to be so shit. Jesus. Oh my god, it's so tough. I need to get up there, like so, which has been, there we go. Look at the space there. Hopefully that'll be a lot better to get to. Can you see the bolt we need to get? No.
I don't know how to get close enough.
It's literally just there my finger is, so that's that. Hopefully it'll be alright to now. Man, they're killing me, you know. Oh, go on! You're doing, you fucking... Hands are dirty. I didn't think it'd be that bad. It's just, wow. These arch linings are absolutely solid. Boy, has that gone really hard now?
The clip back in. Yeah, you had the top out before. Yeah, just yank it like you did last time. Hook it. There you go.
Come on, baby. Can't see ya. I can't even feel ya. Just aim for something that looks and feels like a TX. Nice is that.
Just getting a nice shot of your elbow here.
Yeah. I can't see.
Oh.
I really can't see it.
Little bulb, actually.
Shall I pretend to be happy?
Yeah.
Can the viewers at home see this? What kind of stuff I'm dealing with? It's so difficult. I should have just took the wheels off and then... If anyone owns a Megane, they will know how horrendous the arch liners are. Let me have a look, just see if I'm definitely loosening it. I was using that rod.
Yeah, it's an Evo.
Sound.
What's the angle again?
Hoping that I'll get my fingers on it.
Face of a defeated man.
We just keep going, different tools. Tools let us down. Oh, yes, it's coming. The world's longest bolt. We might as well stop recording because we'll be here about half an hour with this bolt. So you can see my pain. I need to get a new tool set, man. What I got's crap. That's what makes it harder, isn't it? Having shit tools. Yes, we're coming. Come on, baby. Yes. Oh, this bumper will come off now. 3, 2, 1. Just pop out. Something just
Snapped.
no, something just come loose then.
Probably a clip.
Woo! That's tight, that is.
There we go. Watch, you've got wiring and that.
Jeez.
Got your lights on.
Now it's to work out how we're going to do this. Wow, look at that, man. So we got what comes off that. Shit. Man, there's absolutely loads.
Got a couple of bolts there.
Right?
1, 2 there. Don't know if that will do anything.
Yeah, but that's attached to this. Okay. Right then, so after all the dramas, oh look at me, I look like a wet rat. After all this drama, and we've got this little torch down there, we've actually found the light switch. I don't know why, but the light was on, and was like, oh, this is shit. And then he just decided to look up, and there's big, massive strobe lights, like there's them two there and them. So we've actually got light now. So that's what I mean. Working in my nan's garage, it's no good, man. I need to sort myself out because this is not good enough. So yeah, we're all off. All we got to do now is release the standard intercooler. There is apparently 2 clips that you just get with a screwdriver, and it potentially should just fall out. So fingers crossed that is the way it's going to work. So let's get it. It's going to be in there somewhere. It's going to grab. Oh, I might have to buy one of these bad boys. Pretty sick, isn't it? That's it there, I think. Is there a lip on it anywhere? Where's Minan's mat? Minan's mat, get Minan's mat. Difficult. Hang on. Can you show the people that clip there? See where the screwdriver is? If you want to zoom in, spin the end. Yeah, you know how to do that. So see that metal clip there when the screwdriver's just about to touch?
literally that pulls out, and then same on the other side, and then fingers crossed this just falls out. So I think I need to get underneath it because it's a bit. Jesus. Oh, how's your fingers? Come on, baby. There you are. Yeah. Something was coming. Is that? I think that's it. So that's sitting in there, so. That's moving a bit more. Yeah, stop. Right then, so basically what you have to do is
turn it into a hexagon.
Yeah, turn it into a hexagon, maybe nearly a square. We're just trying to prod, we were trying to push on that just to try and get the intercooler out. Pipe works down there. There is another little clip. Guess the light, please. There's another little clip. If you can see just where my finger is there, little clip there, push down, and then there is another one of those clips. If you could just see where my finger is there, I'm going to pull that out and then hopefully remove the intercooler.
Right then, so there's two springy clips. Like, I've cut my knuckles and that. Like, oh, I'm just not having fun. It's just not coming out. Performance Only, which is the only other person that's on video doing these, literally says remove the spring clip and it comes out. Mate, it's not the case of just sticking the clip in, bang, straight out. These are difficult, man. So yeah, it's just a case of removing two spring clips that literally just go straight out, but they are not coming out. So yeah, with great difficulty, we're doing what we can, and hopefully we'll get it off. It's just a case of just getting it off, and I don't think there's any specialist way to do it, but wow. Well then, so both the clips are out, intercoolers are, and if you're watching this, well, if you watch Performance Only's video, it's not the case of just like pulling it out. It is a joke. But look at my hands. It's not just, if it was the case of just going straight out, I wouldn't have done this, but managed to somehow like completely remove them. Hopefully they're alright, so it's time to get the big boy out, and hopefully it goes on and sits a lot easier than what that did. Right then, so things take a turn for the worse with the intercooler I've got, because it's so big. You can't actually go through the original hole, you have to go round the back, and with doing so you have to loosen off the crash bar. There's like one bolt there, two there, same there, two there, one just through there, so we've got to loosen that off to give us space with the crash bar, and then hopefully we can get the new one in. So we shall see. Right then, Renault Megane wins again. I'm bleeding. There is another little bolt literally just under there, just to give us some room, just so we can get this out and get the actual intercooler pipe in there. But for some reason we seem to get caught on the horn, so I've tried to move the horn around a bit, and hopefully we can do it up now, so we shall see. I'll keep you updated anyway. Well then, so it is actually coming on. What we've had to do is to move the horns, because you can't get this on because it keeps hitting that, so I'm hoping it goes on this way. That's what we're hoping for anyway. What we're doing now is just we're going to realign up the crash bar and hopefully get everything back together, back on, and hopefully it'll all be good. I'm struggling, I really am. I didn't think it'd be that difficult. People are like, yeah, it's piece. These Jubilee clips are a nightmare. They're like metal prongs that need to be plugged in. I don't know. They just don't seem to go in. So I might pop over to Dan Recovery and get him to have a double quick check over it. because them clips just seem shit fit, man. They're all insecured and that, but it just doesn't look like it's going to secure it. Looks like I could go down the road and it just pop off. So yeah, we're just about to put the bumper back on. Hopefully everything's sound. But yeah, I'm in a bad state. So yeah, hopefully it all goes on and tight. I've just started it up, checked, there's no leaks or anything like that, so who knows, let's see what happens.